I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy paper BTS badge. So this is a very easy way of making a paper BTS badge, and it is useful too. So I know that many of you guys are very good and famous fans of BTS, so you can just use this badge and you can hang it in your shirt. You can even put this in your backpack, or you can even use this as a wall decor, and you could just put this badge on anything you like. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really cute and easy BTS badge. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So one more thing about this badge is that this one is kind of movable. So you can just like move this in your shirt, and you can even move this if you're going to be putting it in your backpack. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So for this activity, we're only going to be needing some few simple materials. So which are an A4 sheet, a little bit piece from an A4 sheet. Then we're going to be needing a piece of cardboard. So you guys can take any cardboard you like. You can even take like some new cardboard or any leftover cardboard from any old boxes or crafts or anything. Then we're going to be needing some tape. So I'm just taking some tape. Then we're going to be needing a bottle of glue. Then we'll also be needing a marker, a black marker, a purple marker, a scissor, and at last we'll be needing a small pin for putting it into a shirt. Now let's get started. So to get started, I'm just going to be taking this piece of cardboard over here, and I'm also going to be taking the white piece of paper like this. So now I'm just going to be taking the scissor, and I'm going to be cutting out a small circle from this part. So please wait a second until I complete this. So if you guys are not good at drawing circles, you guys can use like a stencil, or you can even like use your pencil to draw a circle using a compass. Then at last you can just cut it. So I'm just going to be cutting it slowly like this to get a perfect circle. So now I'm just going to be trimming it at the edges so that the size of the circle is perfect. So now we've got a circle, and I'm just going to be cutting it over here since it's kind of like extra. So now we've got the circle, and now I'm going to be taking the glue bottle that we had at the beginning, and I'm going to be applying some glue at this circle part over here. So after we apply some glue on the circular part, I'm just going to be spreading the glue. So you guys can use your hand for spreading the glue, or you can even use like other tools such as like ice cream stick or like toothpick or anything else. So please make sure that you wash your hands after you use glue, because sometimes small children might keep your hands in the mouth, and which will be really dangerous. So now I'm just going to be sticking this piece of paper on the cardboard that we had. So after we stuck it onto the cardboard, I'm just going to be cutting this piece out from the cardboard slowly like this. So please wait a second until I complete this. So now I'm just going to be gently cutting this over here. So I'm just going to be cutting it over here on these sides as well. And I'm just going to be cutting it a little bit at the top part over here. So now we've completed, and we have like a really cute circle. So I'm just going to be taking the A4 sheet again, so this part from the A4 sheet, and I'm going to be applying some glue on the back part of the cardboard over here. So please make sure that your cardboard is flat and not like this, because sometimes if it's like this, it won't be proper to stick. But it's fine if you do not have flat cardboard. You can just like press it and make it kind of flat after you complete sticking it. But if you do not have flat cardboard, you have to like press it and give some lot of force so that it sticks properly. So now I'm just going to be sticking this piece of paper on the white paper we had, and I'm just going to be applying some force from the top over here. So the next step is that I'm just going to be taking the scissor, and I'm going to be cutting this out again. So please wait a second until I complete this. So in the meanwhile time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now we've completed sticking this, and we'll have like a kind of thick cardboard piece like this. So I'm just going to be applying some force from both the sides, and I'm just going to be cutting out and trimming the edges like this so that it will be nice and perfect. So 1 second. Yeah, now we've completed. And if your edges are like flat, please make sure that they're kind of circular so that the badge will be nice. You can even do like the badge in a different size, but circle will be a good size. So now we've completed doing this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be taking a black marker, and I'm just going to be drawing the BTS symbol. So please wait a second until I complete this. So I'll show you guys once I've completed. So I'm just going to be drawing like a line over here, and it's supposed to be like a 7 in a different direction. And now I'm just going to be drawing one more line from the bottom. So now I'm just going to be extending the line from over here, and I'm going to be coloring it in slowly like this. So now I'm just going to drawing one more line over here, and I'm going to making this line come to the top, and I'm going to drawing like an identical figure on the side of the paper as well. So now I'm just going to be making the edges correct in size, and I'm going to be flattening them a little bit over here and making them come to the perfect size. So please wait a second until I complete this. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of coloring on the side of the paper as well. So I'm just going to be making this line a little bit thicker at the top since it's kind of small on the other side. So now we've completed drawing the symbol. So now I'm just going to be keeping this over here, and I'm going to be taking the purple marker that we had at the beginning, and I'm just going to be writing BTS. So please make sure that you write it kind of dark so that it will be visible nicely. So now I've completed writing it, and I'm just going to giving it like a small outline to make it be nicely visible and bold and darkly. You guys can even put more decoration if you like, since it's your own badge. So now we've completed writing this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be taking some tape. So I'm just going to be taking some packaging tape. So if you guys have different types of tape, you can take that. So please wait a second until I take some tape from this part. So I'm just going to be unwrapping the tape slowly like this. And I'm just going to be taking like that size, and I'm going to be cutting this tape over here. So now I'm just going to be taking this tape, and I'm going to be sticking it onto this part we made. I'm just going to be doing this tape sticking. If you don't have tape, it's fine, but if you stick tape, it will be nice and long lasting. So for example, if you're going to be like drinking coffee or like a milkshake or milk, if you like spill something accidentally on this badge, it will not break, since it will not like get spoiled, and it will not like get shaded over here. And if you spill something, you can just wash it off, and it will be durable, and it can be easily washable even if you write something. So for example, I'll just show you guys. So I just stuck tape over here, and if I just like color something like in over here as well, and if I get something accidentally, I can just wipe it off using my hand or any other material. So now I've just completed this. So you might have some excess part, so we can cut it off later. So I'm just going to be turning it to the back, and I'm going to be sticking this part as well. So I'm just going to be taking some more tape over here, and I'm going to be cutting some off. So now I'm just going to be sticking this onto the piece of paper that we had. So now I'm just going to be applying some force, and I'm just going to be sticking this to the front part as well. So it's fine if you have like a lot of excess tape. Now I'm just going to be taking the scissor, and I'm going to be cutting this off. So I'm just going to be cutting like around the circle, and I'm going to be taking all the excess pieces out. This will make sure that all the pieces of the BTS symbol are stuck together and won't come out. So it should be stuck really properly. And now our badge is ready. So I'm just going to be applying some force on the top, and I'm turning it to the back, and I'm applying some force so that it's stuck properly. So now the next step and the last part is that we're supposed to be making the badge for this, a movable thing. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a small pin, a side pin. So if you guys like do not have this, we can't do this. So if you have like any other materials, you can take that. But please make sure that you're really careful while using this, because if you like stick it somewhere or you poke it somewhere, it will be really harmful for your body. So I'm just going to be opening it. So if you're a small child, please do not use this. Just ask your parents help for doing this. So I'm just going to be opening it right now, and I'm going to be closing it back. So please make sure that the part we're just going to be inserting it is at the top, and I'm just going to be placing it over here. So I'm just taking the bottom part, and I'm turning it, and I'm going to be placing this over here. So now I'm just going to be taking some tape. So please wait a sec until I take some tape. So in the meanwhile, time you wait, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now I'm just going to be cutting out like a rectangular piece of paper, like a rectangular piece of tape like this. So now I'm just going to be taking the part which is open like this at the top part of the tape, and I'm just going to be taking the sticky side of the tape, and I'm going to be inserting this into the pin. And now I'm just going to be facing it in the correct direction. So I'm just going to be turning it properly like this, and I'm going to be sticking this over here. So now I'm just going to be pressing it over here, and I'm going to be applying this a lot of force. And if you guys want, you can stick it like this to the front, or if you do not want, you can just like cut it over here. It's your wish, you can do anything you like. So now I'm just going to be turning it over here, and I'm going to take a scissor, and I'm just going to be applying some force over here, and I'm sticking it nicely like this. So after we complete this, our really cute and easy BTS badge is ready. So you can just like open a pin over here at the top part, and you can insert it anywhere you like. So for example, I'll just insert it here, and I'll show you guys. Please wait a second. So you should be really careful while using this badge. So I'm just going to be inserting it slowly like this over here, and I'm going to be pressing on it. So I'll show you guys once I've completed, since this is like kind of a complicated process. So please wait a second until I complete this. So in the meanwhile time, you guys can now work on this project. So now I've just completed sticking this, so I'll show you guys. So I've just completed this and it's really cutely stuck over here. So I just got one over here and I've got one over here, and you can just like drag this and you can do anything which you like. So as you guys see, this is also movable since we stuck tape like that, and we can move it from one place to another place. So after we complete this, our really cute BTS badge is ready. So you guys can put more decoration and stick it anywhere you like. You can stick it on your backpack, you can stick it on your clothes, or anywhere you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and keep continuing to watch my channel. And I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!